Hey everyone! In my quest to grow the Mygemini Journey community, I set out on a new coding project with my co-pilots Gemini and Grok. The goal was simple, yet ambitious. Build a Python bot to automatically welcome new followers on X with a personal message. This is the story of that journey, the highs, the lows, and the invaluable lessons learned along the way. This wasn't a solo mission, it was a three-way partnership. I was the visionary, setting the mission and guiding the project. My co-pilot, Gemini, was the cool code mentor, providing script adjustments and adapting them for every problem we faced. Grok was the provider of the first lines of the script that helped bring this project to life. Also, Grok was an invaluable consultant for persistent roadblocks. This proves that diverse minds can be efficient for solving complex problems. The plan was sound, but the reality was a series of unexpected hurdles. We hit a TypeError loop when the Tweepy library syntax was slightly different from what we expected. This taught me the importance of paying attention to the details of every library.
Despite the hurdles, we developed a powerful script that handles the entire authentication flow. Let me break down the core components. 1. Credentials. This is the identity card for our app, telling the XAPI who we are with our client ID and client secret. 2. Authentication function. This is the most complex part of the code. It's smart enough to check if we already have tokens, and if so, it refreshes them automatically. If not, it generates the authorization link, waits for us to paste the redirected URL, and securely exchanges the temporary code for our permanent tokens.
3. Bot logic. This is where the magic will happen. It's a placeholder function, ready for us to add the code that actually sends the welcoming message. 4. Execution block. This is the entry point that runs the entire process. Then came the biggest challenge, the redirect URL. To securely get the authorization code, we had to capture a URL after the app was authorized. We tried using a webhook service, which seemed like a perfect solution for a mobile environment. But the terminal corrupted the pasted URL with unreadable characters. It was a nightmare, but it was a crucial learning experience about the limitations of some tools.
So, where are we now? I've decided to place this welcoming bot project on standby. But let me be clear, this is not a failure, it's a necessary pause. On a deeper level, this project is 95% complete, the code is finished and fully debugged. The remaining 5% is a final logistical challenge, getting that last clean token, which will be solved when we resume. This experience has taught me invaluable lessons about debugging complex systems and the reality of working with imperfect tools. We will continue our Code and Connect series with many upcoming projects. Also, don't forget to check my Gemini Journey blog for more details.
Our journey together to build a brand and discover what's coming next will continue. Stay tuned.